Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add HBO Max to Amazon Prime in 2025. For that, you need to simply open your max.com web in your web browser, and here click on the sign in option in the top right hand corner of the screen. So why we are doing this? We are doing this because if you have an active subscription to the HBO Prime video channel, you are able to access the HBO Max application on any of the supported devices. For that, you can download the HBO Max application, or you can even just sign in your web version. Then you need to just simply sign in through your TV or mobile provider. Select Amazon from the list to the supported providers and enter your Amazon credentials. If you subscribe directly through HBO Max or other providers, you can use your third-party login information as well. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.